His story is a chapter in Indian bureaucracy today, and his transfers are testimony of political interference, arrogance, whatever you call it. This officer has been hounded by successive governments. Until last week, he was a hero for one party. But the moment Ashok Khemka started cracking down on corruption, the BJP confronted him with transfer number 46. The BJP and Robert Vadra are in the same club tonight.
Until 10 days ago, he was a hero for the BJP. But that tag for Khemka has now been stripped off by the BJP. Transferred for the 46th time in a career span of 24 years. Is Ashok Khemka being victimized for exposing Vadra?
Ashok Khemka's fight against corruption was an important issue by the BJP during the Vidhan Sabha elections, and BJP had promised that honest officers would be rewarded handsomely during its regime.
But today, it is the BJP's hypocrisy that stands exposed.
कि हरियाणा सरकार सोनिया गांधी और केंद्र की शाह पर एक ईमानदार आईएएस अफसर खेमका को तंग कर रही है।
सरकारी अधिकारी का आगे पीछे कुछ नहीं होता। जो सरकार को जहाँ आवश्यकता होती है वहीं हर एक अधिकारी को लगाया जाता। हमारी आवश्यकता उस हिसाब से जैसी है वैसा हमने लगाया, और कोई विषय बता नहीं।
The change in government hasn't brought any change in attitude.
ये सेवा तो सेवा होती है। आप पद को ये कहना कि ये पद बड़ा था, ये पद छोटा है। आर्कियोलॉजी का भी काम इस देश में बड़ा मंत्रालय है, उस पर बड़ा काम है।
And honest officers are still being hounded.
Their duplicity, that is very clear for everybody to see. So what they have campaigned for their political benefit is exactly the opposite that they do when they are in power. That's an old story of the BJP. Now we are seeing that unfold again.
Even the Congress that hounded Khemka all these years is not questioning the BJP.
If he's been transferred while the BJP is in power, let the BJP answer that as to why he's been transferred. Because they made such an issue out of it when the Congress was transferring this gentleman.
So what has changed? Why is Ashok Khemka still being punished for fighting lobbies and taking the mafia head-on?
The inside story of transfer of Ashok Khemka is that the mafia operating within the transport department was against the functioning of Ashok Khemka. Meanwhile, the transport minister has denied any malafide intention for the transfer of Ashok Khemka.
It is a routine work. We have not transferred even only Sri Ashok Khemka. We have transferred so many IAS officers, so many IPS officers.
There are some within the BJP who are still supporting Khemka, but they are just a minority.
खेमका ने भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ जो लड़ाई लड़ी है, मैं तभी से उसके साथ हूं और मैं साथ दूंगा।
While Khemka will rest his case with this tweet, his pain and disappointment is very obvious.
Are you unhappy, sir? Sir, are you unhappy?
Why is the BJP punishing an officer who took on Vadra? Is this the same BJP that once promised to reward honest officers? Bureau Report, Times Now.